Does health insurance cover ambulance rides? A deep dive. Does health insurance cover ambulance rides? This question often leaves many puzzled during unexpected medical emergencies. Let's delve into the intricacies of health insurance coverage for ambulance transportation. Health insurance coverage for ambulance rides isn't straightforward. It depends on the type and scope of your health insurance. Some plans fully cover ambulance transportation costs, while others may only partially cover them or not at all. Without insurance, these costs can skyrocket, reaching up to $20,000 according to a study in Health Affairs. Auto insurance often plays a role in covering ambulance costs, especially if you're injured in a car accident. However, there are situations where auto insurance may not cover these costs. For example, if you're not at fault or if your policy doesn't include personal injury protection, PIP, your insurer might deny coverage. Public health insurance plans like Medicare or Medicaid do cover ambulance rides, but with certain conditions. Medicare covers ambulance transportation when it's medically necessary, and other forms of transportation could endanger your health. Medicaid's coverage varies from state to state, but generally, emergency ambulance services are covered. Unexpected ambulance charges are a frequent issue for those who lack private health insurance. A study in Health Affairs estimated that nearly 71% of all ground ambulance rides could result in surprise bills for patients covered by private insurers. Ambulances charge based on loaded miles and additional medical services. The base rate for an ambulance ride varies depending on your location and the type of ambulance service used. Always check your policy details to be sure. Receiving an unexpected ambulance bill can be a shock. But fear not, there are ways to handle it. Contact your insurance company, talk to the ambulance provider, or audit your bill. If you've been treated by out-of-network ambulance providers, try negotiating lower fees directly with the provider or seek help from a healthcare advocate. If you're worried about ambulance ride costs, accident insurance can be your savior. It pays for emergency medical expenses, including ambulance transportation. Companies like Aflac, MetLife, and United Health One offer comprehensive accident policies. Health insurance coverage for ambulance rides can be tricky. Always read your policy and understand what's covered. If you have private health insurance, check if ambulance transportation is included. Public health insurance programs usually cover ambulance services, but ambulance companies can still charge you a hefty bill.